Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to put front shocks on this truck. The tire, I had the tires swapped. This one, the tread on the outside is wearing faster. You see the depth of the tread. This was on the front, I switched it to the back, and this one to the front. Look at how deep the tread is. So the outside of it was wearing, and that's from the shocks being bad. And they're right back in here. And I haven't done one of these yet. This is a mitsubishi strada of mine. So I ordered these guys. I'll open them up. I'll open it up and show you what I got. And then we'll go through the process of doing it. Alright, so there's all the bushings, and for the top, should be zip ties in here somewhere. There are none. I'll have to get some zip ties. Maybe this one's got them. I don't know. Should be some zip ties so that you can put this on the shock where it belongs. Here, I'll show you. So it'll be something like that. You know. Anyways, I'll get the zip ties on that to get that all set up. These are rs5000 or 5602s actually. rs5000 series. rs5602s for the Mitsubishi Strada. 22 millimeter. I'm gonna pop off these lugs. So we got the zip ties on the shocks, so they're ready to put in. Got this one out. So it looks like we're going to pop off these double nuts right here. They're like 13s, maybe 14, but I think 13s. Same with these ones down here. They look like 12s. We're gonna take those two off, and we'll slide her on out. All right, so then we're gonna take this, we're gonna grab it and just kind of pull it down. Doesn't feel horrible, but definitely not as stiff as the new ones. And then you can lift this up and right on out of there. All right, and this new one, we have to get it down. Just push it down. It's gonna want to pop off this thing. I'm gonna need to use both hands. I gotta get it in there and then pull that back up. This is just wanting to pop off now. So I got it lifted up in, and it's got the nut started. Now I can pull this down in place, and I can get those two guys started. I'm gonna get those things started before I get it all tightened down. And then I just tightened up the top like so, bottom like so, and that's it. I have the shock in. Hey, put that tire on, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this helped you out. Here's the part numbers. We've got a Mitsubishi Strada. I'll put a link in the description below for them. They're easy to install. Don't look half bad. All right. Peace.